Great morning, students. Hope you are fine at your home. Today we are going to we have discussed in the last video, chapter second, acid, base, and salt. So now today we are continue with that chapter, and in that chapter we have discussed about acid and bases. As you can see in the picture, there are acid hydrochloric acid and base is sodium hydroxide is shown to you. In the last video we have discussed what is acid and what is base and what are the basic differences between them. As you know very well, you have learnt it in your previous classes that जो एसिड होते हैं वो सॉर इन टेस्ट होते हैं, खट्टे होते हैं, और जो बेसिस होते हैं वो बीटर इन टेस्ट होते हैं. Due to the presence of acid and bases, we are getting taste of sour and bitter in our food. Due to the acid and bases, we are getting taste of food sour or bitter. So, as you know very well, acid are sour in taste and change the color of blue litmus to red, whereas bases are bitter and change the color of red litmus paper into the blue litmus paper. Litmus is a natural indicator. Turmeric is another natural indicator. Indicators क्या होते हैं? Indicators ऐसे substances होते हैं, the substances which tells about the chemical reaction that happens in the acid and base. ठीक है, एसिड और बेस के बीच में जो केमिकल रिएक्शन होती है, ये आपकी इंडिकेटर ये चीज़ बताते हैं. नाउ when the reaction is going to be complete, the indicators will indicate about the completion of the chemical reaction. Now indicators are of two types. One is natural indicator, second is the artificial indicator और मैन मेड इंडिकेटर. नेचुरल इंडिकेटर्स में हम लिटमस पेपर को यूज़ करते हैं. लिटमस इज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम द लाइकन्स. द लाइकन इज ए सिम्बायोटिक एसोसिएशन विद द एल्गी एंड फंगी. नाउ यू कैन सी हियर, वी कैन सी कि जो आपके एसिड होते हैं दे विल चेंज द रेड लिटमस पेपर इनटू द रेड, मीन्स ब्लू लिटमस पेपर को रेड में चेंज करते हैं एसिड. बट बेसिस आपके बेसिस दे विल चेंज द रेड लिटमस पेपर इनटू द ब्लू. सो दिस इज द बेसिक चेंजेस दैट यू कैन ऑब्जर्व. रेड लिटमस पेपर बिकम्स ब्लू व्हेन वी put it into the base solution. So the blue litmus paper will be red when we are going to place it into the chemicals or acids. Now we are going to discuss about the other things in this chapter, the chemical reactions of acid and bases, how acid and bases neutralize their effect with each other. Yesterday I taught you about the neutralization process. Neutralization, it is a process in which we are going to react acid with base and to form the neutral substances or salt or water that has neither the acidic nor the basic nature. Now, as you know very well, what is the litmus solution? Litmus solution is a purple dye which is extracted from the lichen. I already told you, lichen, it is a plant which is a association of the algae with fungi, and it belongs to the Thallophyta group. Thallophyta group is a group which is not differentiated into true root, stem and leaves, so they are used as indicators. When the litmus solution is neither acidic or nor the basic, then its color will be purple. Purple is a mixture of the red and blue color. Now when we are going to discuss it with the different solutions, then if we want to identify the solution, either it's a acid, base or water, then we have to identify on the basis of the litmus paper. Suppose we have to identify these three solutions, and we have given three test tubes of these three solutions, in which one has acid, second has base, and third has water. But we don't know about the which has acid, base or water. Then we have to identify with it the red litmus paper. ठीक है, तब हमें इसे रेड लिटमस पेपर से आइडेंटिफाई करना है. एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर दैट रेड लिटमस पेपर विल बी ब्लू इन द बेस सोल्यूशन. ठीक है, रेड लिटमस पेपर आपका ब्लू हो जाएगा जब वो बेस में रखा जाता है. रेड विल बी रिमेन्स रेड. रेड लिटमस पेपर आपका रेड रहेगा व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू डिप इट इनटू द एसिड सोल्यूशन. जब हम इसको एसिड के सोल्यूशन में रखेंगे. एज वी नो वेरी वेल, the water is a neutral substance and it doesn't affect over the acid or base, so it would not be change its color when it comes to contact. So we can identify the three one acid, base and water with the help of the red litmus paper. Now we are going to understand the chemical properties of acid and base. एसिड एंड बेस की प्रॉपर्टीज़ को हमने आइडेंटिफाई करना है. अभी जस्ट हमने पढ़ा था कि इस एक्टिविटी में जब हम तीनों को सेपरेट करते हैं, वी आर गोइंग टू सेपरेट द एसिड, बेस एंड वाटर, देन वी यूज़ द रेड लिटमस पेपर. राइट वाइज व्हेन वी हैव सेपरेट acid or base with the help of the red litmus paper, because red litmus paper turns into blue litmus paper when it comes into the contact of the base. So acid and base get separate, but here the confusion will be same in case of water and acid, because the red litmus paper will be red in case of water and acid both. So we have to separate them. We can separate them on the basis of their smell, because acid will produce the odor. So this type of acid odor we can identify, and this indicators are called olfactory indicators. Now in this video we have learnt what is acid, base and salt and what are their differences. So hope you will learn it and you will do at your home. So thank you and have a nice day.